Good day everyone, welcome back to this brand new unboxing video. Today we're going to unbox this Geminijets Delta Airlines Airbus A330-900 in the 1:400 scale. So this is the box, absolutely amazing box as always by Geminijets. I really like the boxes, and you know the peek inside as well. Here you can see the information. You can pause the video if you want. Let's start the unboxing. So here you can see the aircraft out of the box, absolutely beautiful model. It's my first Delta Airlines model in my collection. I'm really happy to have the A330neo, the 900 version. A little bit background information about why I got this aircraft. I flew on this aircraft last year from Salt Lake City to Amsterdam. Amazing aircraft, had a little bit of problems in the beginning. You can see that in my video. I will link the video on the top right. We had a pressurization unit failure of one of the two, so we couldn't fly over the Atlantic with one inoperative. So we had to get that replaced, so it took a little bit of 5 hours before we could take off again. So yeah, but nevertheless an amazing aircraft, and I'm happy to have this one in my collection. So let's have a closer look at the aircraft. Starting from the tail, we have the beautiful Delta Airlines logo, the registration, the beautiful American flag. The registration is November 407 Delta X-ray. And yeah, of course the blue wingtips, nothing special about that. Let's move on to the middle section of the aircraft. We have the engine number 1 and the main gear, as you can see, as well as the left-hand door number 2, L2 door. So as you can see over here, the L3 door is a little bit smaller, only used in evacuation situations. And as you can see here, you can see the cockpit and the Delta logo, as well as the SkyTeam logo and some other information. So yeah, overall amazing model, really happy to have this one. Let's check the bottom of the aircraft. And you can see the Delta Airlines logo on the belly of the aircraft, as well as the main gear and of course the engines. So thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in one of my next videos. For now, have a good day and see you next time. Bye.